Hi everyone, in front of me I've got OPPO K13x and let me share with you how to set the camera timer on this device. So let's begin with opening the camera app. And currently we will be in the standard photo mode. So now all we have to do is to enter the settings. So tap on the 3 bars icon in the right upper corner, and the second bar is connected with the timer. So we've got 3 options of 3 and 10 seconds delay. So just tap on the option which you'd like to use. I will pick 10 seconds delay. It is immediately highlighted. Moreover, it is immediately shown inside the shutter button. So now all we have to do is to tap on it. And from now on, our device will count down from 10 or 3, depending on which option you've chosen, and after that time, it will take a photo. Okay, of course, we've got also this additional countdown, those 2 seconds here. Of course, we can turn it off just by tapping on this option. It's totally up to you. And if you'd like to turn off the timer, simply tap on off. And now your device will take photos right after touching the shutter button, or it will still have those 2 seconds of the countdown for focus, I believe. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.